Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Anu Chandra and welcome to my channel Anu.Yoga.Wisdom. I'm a certified yoga teacher from YCB Ministry of Ayush. I have been practicing yoga for about 5 years and teaching for about 3 years. I teach yoga to beginners and experienced both. Currently I'm teaching traditional yoga, general fitness yoga, meditation, pranayam and breathing techniques. My classes help people in weight loss, physical strength, flexibility and stress management. I'm taking personal home yoga classes, personal online yoga classes. I'm also taking offline group classes and online group classes. Here you will find videos about yoga tutorials and healthy lifestyle. You can also get connected with me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm very excited to start my yoga journey with you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Namaste.